Hello, this is Mr. Liu, and I am your 7-minute Sensei. In this short clip, we'll review Strand number 4 in the Digital Business Applications course. In Strand 4, students will learn about digital images, print media, and using cloud-based design graphics. Strand 4, Standard 1. Understand the sources of digital images. Your primary sources of digital images probably come from your own digital camera or your smartphone. Okay, so most of you that have a smart device, you have a built-in camera, and that's your primary source. However, we also taught you about how you can access free sources, photographs online. We used a tool called pixabay.com, pixabay.com. We saw that there were plenty of resources available online. Also, we taught you how to save and compress and share digital files. We talked about the difference between the file formats, a PNG file or a portable network graphic file. Typically, these are the files that we would have a transparent background. Also, they're high quality. They're actually a higher quality than a JPEG file. JPEG, or Joint Photographers Expert Group, JPEG, that is another file format. And we use these tools to compress the images because they are rather large. A PNG file would be typically larger than a JPEG file. So if you're looking for a smaller image format, you would use JPEG. We had you create an infographic, posters, and we had you use tools like Adobe Spark, and we probably had you use Canva more often than not. So that's Canva, canva.com. And using that tool, we were able to show you how much more productive you can be using some of the built-in artificial intelligence, how it can help you create incredible designs in a matter of just a few minutes. Download and use images from Image Library. Once again, pixabay.com was one of the tools that we used. Use basic enhancement features to improve the quality of photos, such as cropping, and that's where we will actually just take a portion of the image, to resizing, and that will make the image either larger or smaller. Colorizing using filters. We had you use Adobe Photoshop. We had you use some of the filters built into Photoshop. Some of you, I know, expressed that you have some built-in filters in some of your favorite apps, which can do something similar. So there are many ways that you can change colors, filters in your images. Quick response codes, or QR codes. There are QR generators online, and that's just something that you just look for, a QR or quick response code generator, and we do that, and that's pretty straightforward there. With standard number 2, we want you to understand the importance of being able to upload these images. We taught you how to save a PDF file or a portable document file created by Adobe. And we explain how when we save our files, we can compress them in size and then share them with others. We talk about online or cloud-based image storing. So you're very familiar with Google Cloud Storage as well as Amazon. And we have iCloud with Apple and OneDrive with Microsoft. As far as identifying the features of printers available for printing photos, including uploading and commercial printing, generally speaking, when you're working with a commercial printer, they're going to ask you to save the file as a high-resolution PDF file. Evaluate how digital image enhances print media for business. Well, as we did explain in class, a picture is worth 1,000 words. There are many things that can be communicated through images versus just words alone. We talked about how infographics are primarily images, icons, charts, and we use fewer words. but yet they do convey and communicate a lot of information. Well, that's strand number 4 in the Digital Business Applications class. Good luck.